Hey guys, if you want to learn how to flip an image either from left to right or from right to left, up to down or down to up, you can either say horizontally or vertically. Let me even show you what I'm talking about. So on my screen I have this beautiful young couple right here. I don't know if they're a couple. It's just a random image which I found in the internet. So let's assume they are a couple. So let's say I want to flip it so that the road right here can be by the right hand side and the couple by the left hand side. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Let's dive in. Looking at my screen, you can simply tell that I'm using Canva to do this. So it's easy and free to create a Canva account. Just head over to canva.com and then sign up for a free account. When you're signed up, log into your account and you can create a new design. You can use any size of your choice. That absolutely depends on you. But when you choose any size of your design, then when you get to the design dashboard right here, of course, you want to go to the uploads. Then you can go ahead and click on upload files right here and upload any picture that you want to flip, right? When you have done that, you can just simply click on that image to drop it on the design board right here. And when you click on the picture to highlight it, of course, you can see this little option right here called flip. When you click on that, you can see you have two options, either to flip horizontally or to flip it vertically, right? So if I click on the horizontal right here, now you can see it's barely noticeable that this is not the original state of the image. Like if I have to tell you that this was not the original state of the image, of course you will argue with me, right? So you can see the road right here is now towards the right hand side and the couple towards the left hand side. You can still flip that all around, and you can click on the vertical option right here to flip it vertically. So I hope you've learned something from this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also turn on the notification. I'll see you next time. Peace.